Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. This is a relaxing plant tour. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Starting with this beautiful creeper plant. This is the outer view. This is a Sago plant. It's a palm variety. It's a tropical plant. Looking at it is healing. Down it's beneath is wandering Jew plants. Two rows stone crop. It's a very unique foliage. It's spinach. Tulsi plant. Asparagus fern. Rose plant. Tulsi or basil. Vinca on the right side. This is a desi one. Agave. Some succulents. Haftoria. Syngonium. Crown of thorns. Syngonium podophyllum. It comes in many different varieties. It is easily propagate from cuttings. It can be propagated through soil and water propagation. Looking at it is healing. It is beneficial to keep this plant in indirect light. This is again a different plant. Umbrella tree or Sclazoflera. This is a beautiful plant. Its foliage is so unique, so colorful, and it can be multiplied through cuttings, and you can make many plants from one plant easily. It is also placed in indirect light. These plants, actually I don't know his name, but it looks beautiful, I could say. Dracaena Marginata. It's a Dracaena variety. It's indoor, outdoor plant. Asparagus fern in hanging basket. Looks so beautiful in hanging baskets. Beautifully placed. Jasmine plant. It's a creeper on the inside view. Again showing the asparagus fern. You can see its beauty. You don't need to decorate your house rather than plants because it gives the beauty and it's so pleasing to the eye of everyone. Dracaena, it's mango plant. It's Thai plant. Wandering Jew. Wandering Jew can be easily propagated through water, in water, through cuttings. This is a beautiful plant. Fern. Wandering Jew. Fern. Palm plant. There's a creeper. Side view. It's outside view. Croton. Very colorful plant. Thai plant. Fern. It's shell ginger. Again, a very gorgeous foliage and a very beautiful plant. Aparajita. It has blue color flowers, which is favorite of Lord Shiva. Asparagus fern again. Aglaonema. It's Haworthia. Another succulent. Bonnier succulent.